So welcome to my exhibition, and my central theme of this exhibition is motion, and it means the frozen moments of an object or a person while it is moving. So the reason why I choose this to be my theme of my exhibition is because I think some of the moments that while people take the picture of one object while it is moving, there's no second chance to retake the photos. So I think that these kind of motion is the precious moment that we don't have the chance to take the second time. So which is really important, and I wanted to record all of that inside my exhibition. So this is the first artwork. It is called The Pollution, and the materials that I use is acrylic. And this artwork is about the pollution that human has created and that has affected the environment. So the motion in this picture is the vertical movement of the water in the middle part of this artwork. And this dropping motion of the water represents the pollution that has been created by human factories, and that has directly affect to the Mother Nature environment. Okay, so the second artwork that I created is called The Motion of Jumping. So I use paper and acrylic mostly for this specific artwork, and I was trying to emphasize the motion of me while I was jumping and spinning in the middle of the air. And so I use acrylic with black color, and I use the paintbrush to kind of wipe it and make the motion in the middle more obvious, and make the audience can easy discover. Okay, so here comes the third one, which is the sports career. So I use the photographic print with adding paper and tape. So this one is basically about the moment that I think that is important or precious for me while I was participating in a sports event. And the main thing of this collage is that it presents the memorable moments, which is connected to my exhibition theme, motion, which is something precious. And all of the pictures are taken while I was playing the game. Okay, and the fourth one is called DP. So the key concept of this project is that it is the spinning motion that has been created by a large spiral structure in the middle, which is this one. And I'm trying to emphasize that the pressure of DP is like the swirl that makes people started to feel confused and lost. So the motion in the middle represents the motion of myself. And here comes the fifth one, which is called The Process. Okay, so this artwork is about the theme of this artwork is also about pressures, which is inspired by the one that I have explained. And this is like a cycle of pressure that represent the life of DP students that we are having right now. So this is the sixth one, and the title of it is The Motion of Season. So if we look at this artwork from different angles, we can see the leaves that came from different seasons. For example, this one is it represents winter, and this is fall, which is orange, and green represents summer, and the flower represents the spring. So what I'm trying to say is that the season-changing motion of our planet, and I wanted to, because I was inspired by the time that I spent in DP, so I started to recognize that my time is not enough. So I started to pay attention about the time. So I discovered the change of season while I feel the time pass. So this is the 7-1, which is the dancer under sunset. So the dancer is taking place in the sunset, and also the black areas behind it is the shadow of the dancer. So the theme of this artwork is that the dancer shows the hard work that I have put in while I was doing my schoolwork or any other subjects. And the shadow represents the failure that I have, and the sunset represents the emotion of the emotion of upset while I was trying doing some I'm trying to accomplish something. So this is the last one, called Black Max, and it is done by clay with acrylic and spray paint. And the main character of this artwork is 3 Black Max in the middle, which the theme of this one is that they are having 3 different kind of movement, and the color black has created a sense of depressed and darkness, which I want the audience to feel that what is going to happen if a thing or a person who usually is taking care of you, but somehow they have maybe get hurt or broken, and it is your time to take care of them right now. So to conclude that, my exhibition is about motion that I think that is important for me, or a motion that can represent something that is important or precious, that is related to something that cannot be, they're not having second chance to taking the picture again, or yeah, that's it.